Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about the Devin AI. So what is Devin AI? So Devin AI is a software that can create any programs, and that software can automatically test your program also. So how this overall app will work, let me just show you that the screen here. So here you can see that app can automatically create a program, okay, and that will automatically search because this software have their own browser and the own terminal, okay. So that software automatically create your whole program and that will test it, and that software will host, that AI software will host your program also. So around 15 days ago, there's two open source software. They are similar to the Devin AI. So first one is the open Devin AI and another one is Devika. So you can install this software and you can create your own software, website, or anything you want. In the future, maybe 2025, there are more softwares and AI software they are waiting for us. Or in the future, maybe you don't need to even write a prompt for the software. They will get the question from your mind, like Elon Musk is already working on that part. So you don't need to worry anything. You just need to think what software, what game you needed, and that AI software will detect your thinking and he will write the program and he will launch your software. And all this thing is really interesting. I'm also trying to install Devika and Open Devin AI software. Once it's done, then I'll create the video about how you can install this software and use it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.